Have you ever found yourself stuck in JShell, trying to figure out how to use method references for top-level functions? It can be quite a puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into JShell and exploring how to effectively use method references. I totally get it. It's frustrating when you think you know how to do something, but the environment throws a curveball. Many developers have faced this challenge in JShell, especially when trying to use method references. You're definitely not alone in this. So, here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, is there a way to use method references for top-level functions in JShell? They provided an example where they defined a method called printIsEven and wanted to use it with a list. Sound familiar? Let's break this down together. To understand the issue, we need to recognize that JShell operates in a static context. This means that while you can use method references in a regular Java program, JShell doesn't allow you to reference methods in the same way. Let's explore why that is. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that will help you use method references effectively in JShell. You won't want to miss it. To use method references for top-level functions in JShell, the user needs to define the method in a way that allows it to be referenced correctly. First, let's ensure the method is defined properly. Next, the user should create a list of integers. This can be done using the arrays.asList method. Let's create a list with some sample integers. Now, to use the method reference, the user can define a static context. This can be done by creating a class in JShell. Let's create a simple class to hold the method. Finally, the user can now use the method reference with the forEach method. They can call it like this, myClassPrintIsEven. Fun fact, did you know that JShell was introduced in Java 9? It allows for interactive Java programming, but it comes with its own set of quirks. It's like a playground for Java, but sometimes the swings are a bit rusty. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user suggests using lambda expressions to refer to top-level function declarations in JShell. Instead of needing a class or static context, you can simply use a lambda to call your function directly. Here's the pro tip. Always remember that JShell is a great tool for testing and experimenting, but it has its limitations. Understanding these can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You can now use method references in JShell by defining a class. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn something new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.